Tell me, Julia, before Sivala, you spoke about Mokobut, and I want to emphasize Apaguya Ganin. He's a player in Orlando Pirates. He signed just before the first game in MTN8. I think just a week or a couple of days before their first game. I can't go preseason in Spain. When Orlando Pirates closed the season, there was the last two games. There was a defensive midfielder who was playing, Usilepe. He played and then he won the man of the match in their last game against the Orbit.
I remember Usilepe.
Coming now, because now Usilepe he was in Spain. Now, ithi ukuthini indaba ukuthi uMokobudi kangabena i-preseason. Now season yaqala, he is starting games ahead of abantu bekhona behave preseason. Ilonto mhlawumbi ingaba ithethe ukuthi italente yakhe mhlawumbi here embeka ahead of as a players, or mhlawumbi coach will still want to see more of him before he mhlawumbi make a final decision ukuthi this is my defensive midfielder for the rest of the season.
Pirates are defending championships. One of my expectation go Pirates. Usho ukuthi bayazi nabo, everybody will want to beat them. They need to defend the cup. After abuye coach abuye ku preseason kunento angabanga happy ngazo. What? Uthema ka Chepa Boslepe what no. Yes, ngiphetha Boslepe. I've got abondula bobani namtechela. But dancing but this is gonna playing in there. And I believe ku Pirates maba decide collectively. Mina ngisashona namhlanje abomxolisi banasandla nabo Joe aboncane itukutuku banesandla ku Pirates. I decision ephuma ku Pirates, they hardly sign a bad player mfethu. Mele sinchayile izandla shini ngaloko. You guys mangithi they hardly sign a bad player. Nina except spending money. The past two seasons on guy credit ngalento leyo. Uyabona. It's just obvious angeke ngicompare nabanye abantu ama team but nina this thing when you take a decision ithatha collective and uyabona abantu abazibona. Akusabantu abahlala eofficeini and then ngabasendela ama clip yabo and lento leyo ivele isinika raise ama question manje. You do proper scouting nina, a proper talent identification ayenza. And nendlela ukuthi player manual identify na check ukuthi lizosuit style of play say na. That's why ngithi yakalungu bekuyi question mark kimi yabona. Mina mhlambe bengitshela ukuthi nemsebenzisa as a striker especially mandla leAfrica. So Shane lo mfana lo it was emergency call. Mhlambe ukuthi okay after Spain masibuya we needed sifunela inye player besithi aliyeka lela player lela Mokobudi ku Stellenbosch but we can't. Asiyamlanda. Right. And they brought him special player. I mean, ngicela ibheke le. Hayi le Shane. Chipa United now I'm very disappointed. Joba ngisho uThruthi the coach team yakhe very static. I mean, Abu Chipa they don't change. They remain in the same level. The team it's like not they enjoying save status. I understand. I respect Oprah Chipa Mpenge is for saving him the but I think he needed to sign quality players, best players. Kune question ebuzwa Nkuleko la ukuthi in order for you to compete with Pirates and Sundowns, but these are two teams about mawudlala nabo, we like it or not, uzoba ne-jive in terms of they will train you how they manage the game, they score goals, they've got double individual brilliance and stuff, top class players. I mean numbers don't lie how they dominate ama number ku Bafana Bafana.